Meet Solar Brick, the scalable, flexible, magnetic solar panel solution. Each tile is 5 by 5 inches, just 1/10 of an inch thin, and weighs only 1.4 ounces. Designed to click into place with a soft magnetic snap. 4 tiles power a fan, 6 tiles keep your phone charged, and 9 tiles can run a tablet or power bank with PD and QC fast charging. Clipped to your backpack, Solar Brick charges as you walk, quietly gathering sunlight. Charging your devices under the sun. Need more speed? Just add more panels. Each snap, the power flows faster. Sunlight scaled to your needs. Lightweight and ready to charge. A gentle breeze from a fan you powered yourself. Not borrowed, not shared, yours. With all the available sunlight, your fingers reach for the pieces. They snap together, magnet to magnet. And in that instant, you generate your own power. Solar Brick is a perfect renewable energy companion. Your own grid, built tile by tile. Solar Brick. Click, snap, charge.